YVA Trades.
Good morning. Happy Tuesday, the 14th of November. This is phase 4. I have 2 red days in a row. Consolidation for me. Hopefully we can turn this around. Let's go. I love it when I say, let's go. And I push the button and nothing happens. It's great. It's awesome. Nothing better. It's because somebody hasn't had enough coffee, I think, or something, maybe too much. So on the broader market, we had an equilibrium on the hourly time frame. Big breakout here, though, 4-hour time frame there, you can see. So I think at 5:30 a.m. there was a speaker, a federal speaker or whatever. Anyways, everything's kind of moving up right now, and that makes for an interesting gap scanner, but not so interesting at the same time because everything's kind of reacting to the broader market. So what do we trade? Let me see. Our leading gapper, THRX, I did actually trade that first thing. I always take a sample trade first thing in the morning to get my software set up. But I don't know on this one. There is news on it. So bioscience shares are trading higher. I don't know. It is the leading gapper. It's only up 38%. INVO is the next one down. If I can get this to click. I haven't had a chance really to go over all of these. Make sure everything's going. I had some problems with the live stream when I first started it up. Let me see. So CVNA, see it doesn't have news. Nice move. W doesn't have news. Nice move. And these are all higher float stocks. This one's higher priced. So they're gapping up on low volume, following the market. What's that? RDFN, Redfin. No news. I guess it's got a little bit of news. UPST. Good morning, Lisa. And I do apologize. One thing to note about my live stream is oftentimes it's like 1 minute delayed. So if you don't hear me say hello right away, it's because I didn't get it yet. Life W, wow, it just keeps on coming back. It's an hourly setup, so it's sitting up there at double top on the pre-market. I don't know, Life W, maybe. We'll see. VERV. And just going down through the list here, I just see a whole lot of things doing all the same. So what are we going to trade? Let me take a look at AI. I was watching this one, a few weeks ago, thinking, man, it's got to be due for a bounce soon on the daily time frame. And then it did start to go. And, hey, Parabolic, good morning. Hey, I did see your comment about share size. I can answer that for you. Maybe later after a while. I'm sorry I didn't respond to your comment on YouTube there, but that one might be easier to talk about on the live stream. And so AI on the daily, I had been watching it consolidating all this choppiness, and then it finally started to go. And now here again today, we're up at 29. We're almost up at this high up here. I don't know. I might watch AI for a trade. It does have news. Made some kind of an agreement. And it shows on your screen there, it shows I'm down $622. That's not right. I'm down $6.22. Kaylee, actually, good morning, Josh. I hope your days goes good. I'm assuming this is Tammy. It says Kaylee, but if it is Tammy, good morning, Tammy. So, I guess I better pick some stocks out here to trade, huh? Quit jammering. So I'm going to watch AI. I'll watch the leading gapper also, THRX. So THRX, if I can learn how to spell, and AI. If you guys have any stocks you're interested in, feel free to Feel free to type them in there. I don't know what else there would be. But let me see. So we went down through the list. Didn't really like anything else that I was seeing. I'm going to look at them just once more. CVNA. Just kind of like pick your poison. It's like, I don't know. What's the market? The market probably is due for consolidation, but that's a pretty nice bounce. Pretty nice move up. Continuation. So break down these two, I guess, and then see what else there might be. I try to look for things that are moving, kind of like, what's the word? I don't know what the word is I'm looking for. They have a mind of their own. Because if the market's moving up overall, let me see. I look for something that's got news, of course. Oh, AIRE. What be that? AI, I've heard of it. I just don't remember what it is. Oh, AIRE. Well, you know, it's consolidating on the hourly. It's a tightening range. I don't see it on my scanner this morning, but it does. Oh, the price isn't bad. I don't know. Could watch it, maybe. What is the daily? I'm over here looking at it. Oh, let's see here. I don't have my... I've got the scatterbrain bug this morning. It done crawled up in my head. Let me see. Yeah, see how it's kind of pulling back here, consolidating. This could be an equilibrium breakout, possibly. There was a breakout attempt here by the bulls, but the bears weren't having it. And on the daily time frame, so we're up at $12. Whoa, look at that. So this was a recent IPO. That's maybe why I haven't heard of it, or maybe why I did. 591, so we're all the way up there at that resistance. So that's what we're struggling to get back above, 1250 on that daily time frame. I don't know if the volume, I mean, the volume's not bad actually. But thanks, Parabolic. I appreciate that. Had big spreads pre-market. Oh, gosh, I see that. Yeah. So if I was going to trade that, I'd probably use limit orders. Yeah, that might be, too, why it's not up on my scanner. I do filter some of that stuff out. Okay, so THRX, and we'll watch that. I'll watch that AIRE. You never know. Just because I don't have a third one up here. And because Parabolic said it's a good one. No, he didn't say that. Let me see. So THRX, hourly time frame, just an inside bar. Tightening range on that 15-minute. See, where would I trade this? Yeah, if we break this level, then we'll have hourly consolidation. So hopefully we can hold that on the 5-minute. It's really light on volume. But this was a pretty gnarly pullback. I traded this one earlier on back here. After this big pullback, I bought it off the volume weighted average price. Made a little bit. There you go. So there it's breaking out. We'll watch that, see what that looks like in a few more minutes. AI, you know, it had some news. It's kind of following the market, but also, let me see. Yeah, at 5:30 it broke out. That's when the market broke out. But it also has a catalyst, so maybe. The thing about the stocks that follow the broader market is you kind of have to watch the broader market. You got to keep a close eye on it because it can dictate what these stocks will do. That's why I like to trade the ones that don't follow the market. BCDA was popular this morning. It was. What? I wasn't invited to the party. Oh. Ah, that's, yeah, cheaper stock. I don't usually trade them that cheap, but it's getting up there. Ah, that's actually pretty nice. Lots of volume. BCDA shares double after FDA approves Cardi Amp trial. Let's watch that one for sure. I'll put AI on my second screen over here. Thanks. BCDA. Yeah, when they're below $1 and stuff, I tend to stay away from them. A lot of those can be pink sheet stocks, and sometimes they can get halted and never resume again. So try to be careful of that. Man, the time is flying by here, and I don't really have any setups in mind yet. So this one, I don't know. I'm just gonna watch this for a break over that level, I guess. BCDA pulling back on the 5-minute. We have some levels here to kind of watch. There's a support down here. So looking for a 5-minute higher low on that one. 1-minute downtrend. So if we can hold this level when the bell rings, maybe there's a trade there. I got to set up some stop loss parameters now just to make sure I'm ready to go. Yeah, it could sell off. It's pretty strong right now, but definitely I think BCDA may be due for some consolidation. It's got three hourly candles up. But you never know if there's enough attention, you know, it could just go parabolic. Let me see here. BCDA, 12 cents. I gotta hurry. 30 seconds left. So good luck today. May the trade force be with you. AIRE. Wow, big candle ranges. Let's see, I'm probably gonna jump into BCDA here first thing. Maybe. Take 2 positions on it. My stop loss is a long ways away. How'd that happen? Come on, baby. THRX is also trying to bounce here. Come on, BCDA, get on up there. I want to sell part of it, but I want to see it. Give me one more little push. There you go. I'm going to sell 2 of those positions I'm holding. I'll put my stop loss down at the low and cross my fingers. And then THRX, I jumped into that one, but I'm not liking it so much, so I'm back out. And here comes BCDA back down. Stopped out on that remaining position. So after that, I'm only up $19. THRX, I'm going to buy it off of $3, coming down to a support zone in the volume weighted average price. This is that support zone talking about. And right through it, and I'm out for a loss before it halts going down. So down $48 now on my day. Looking at BCDA, I'm going to try to buy a bounce off of that support. But I don't know, that's probably not. It's 5-minute consolidation. I probably should wait for a good setup on that pullback. I'll sell half of it there. Put my stop for the rest down here at the low. High of day is at 138. Coming on up to 138 there. Looking for that 5-minute higher low and higher high. The price to get over is 148. Could sell it here, but I think I'm going to hold it a little bit longer. $0.21 on that candle range. Open is hitting the scan, the high of day scanner. Coming on up there. I want to see if we get up to $1.48 on this. And maybe we get halted here. I think we're halted on BCDA. I'm in it one time and it's halted. Nice. Love that. My halt scanner makes the sound of an arrow hitting a target. I can't. I'm not good at sound effects. I should stop. Okay. AI over here. I have... Oh, that's the wrong time frame. Oh no, halt. Yeah. I'm thinking, oh yes, halt. Only problem is we halted below that resistance. Whether that's a problem, I don't know. SKIN, so skin, nah. F is Ford. Those are two stocks hitting the scanners. So this one halted on lower volume, but I think that candle was just starting to form. Probably wasn't even halfway through, so I'm going to cancel my stop loss. And the reason I do that is because if it comes out of the halt, sometimes it'll just go down and sell at a really low price. I don't know. Halt resumptions, always cancel the stop loss and wait. So resumption on this will be at 6:38. Fingers crossed that it's not a pink sheet stock that's going to get delisted. And I'm going to pull up AI over here. 73 cents. So 18, 17, 21. I'm going to go with the 25-cent stop loss on this. Coming up is a double top here. Snap is hitting the scanner. Ooh, look at THRX over here too. I'm going to go ahead and buy AI for the breakthrough that high. I'm looking for THRX to break through $3. Selling my position on AI there. Now for THRX. I got you, man. Pull back a little bit. Let me get in it at a lower price here. Right there. Now let's see if it can bump up. I'm in it twice. I already took some losses on it. Resistance at 3. Got to break through 3. Let's see a short squeeze. Ooh, I don't know. Come on up through 3. I'm watching the ask here, watching the orders on the ask. They're piling up. Lots of sellers there. I don't know if I want to keep holding it. I'm going to get out. I don't like it. Don't like it. I like the pattern. I didn't like the ask. I'm up 136 as of now. What time is it? So we got a halt resumption hopefully here coming up on BCDA in a matter of seconds. So I'm watching this down here. I'm watching my price ladder. As soon as I see some movement, I'm probably going to jump out of this. Halted at $1.44. Starting to see. I hope it opens at like 155. That would be great. Any second now. There it is. Opened at $1.53, 54-ish. That puts me at my daily goal. $200. Right smack dab on the money. Thank you, Parabolic, for giving us that stock. Oh, look at the halt going down. Dang it. I'm glad I'm not in that. So AI just taking off here. I got in AI down here and sold it up into there. It's making some nice moves. The stock market. Let's see, what else do we have? BCDA. So BCDA is now hitting my scanners. I'd like to find a way to get into AI. Let me see here. So I have here. Oops. No, I forgot. So AI. This is my handy dandy little trading view chart. For AI. I don't remember how to use this. Yeah, that's why I tend to get out of those halts pretty fast. Oh, AI, I want to buy it there, but I got in trouble trying to trade off of the 10-second chart yesterday. It really messed me up. So we have 1 minute consolidation. I'll look for a pattern on the 10-second chart, and I'm still not sure if I should be using the 15-second or the 10-second. Don't have a lot of experience with these smaller charts. The EMA here. See, I like this pattern I see here. I don't know if I want to jump on that though. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me get up here. Okay. This is the pattern. I like this on the 15-second or the 10-second chart. Looking for a 1 minute higher low. But there it's breaking down. So that pattern, I was waiting for it to break bull. LABU is hitting the scanner. Let's see if AI can come down to 29.51. I'm going to throw a limit order down there. I don't know. Oh, I've got to start up my alert system here. Start. Okay, there you go. Now you can see I'm up 287 Dow hairs. Oh, look at THRX. I'm going to buy the breakout. I'm just going to go for it. Could be a mistake. That 1 minute candle is starting to close there. I see AI over there. I might have missed my trade on it. Drag this over here so I can see. These two go together. Okay. I don't know, THRX. If I sell it now, I'll take a loss. Yeah, I was seeing this pre-market too. THRX would break out and then it would fail. I'm going to exit half of that position. There's AI. So I'm jumping in AI based on that 10-second chart. Looking for a move up through the highs. I'm out of THRX there. Oh, the 10-second chart. Oh, look at that. That's ugly. So I made... Hey, look, I'm down $3,500. That's not right. The reason I bought this is because we have this support down here. I'm back in BCDA one time there. Because I'm looking for an equilibrium here and then a break through the high on this one. In BCDA, I'm going to move my stop loss up to the low of that candle. Okay. So watching for the breakout here. I'm in this once. I wish I was in it twice. Do I sell it here? I'm going to flatten it there. Go ahead and take the profit on that. And I'm going to go ahead and sell BCDA. All right, so I was up 200, and then I gave it all back on that drop on AI, and I was at 0. And then I managed to claw my way back. I'm up 152 now. So back up towards my daily goal. Thanks for the reminder, Parabolic. I appreciate that. I do frequently check it. Oh, look at this. THRX ended up going. I could have held that, but this is not. Let me see. Okay, I'm going to take a minute to breathe. I'm wondering if we pull back again here on AI before the breakout. So on the scanner, we got Plug, THRX, Mara, Skin, SKIN, ONON. I'm going to get rid of some lines and reestablish some support and resistance levels here. What are we doing on this one? Get your low of the move. Then you got a breakout. Then that halt going down, pulled back. I don't know on that one. This one, I want to buy the pullback on it. Yeah, until I can get better at reading the smaller time frames, I don't think I'm going to be watching that the 10-second chart. So you got the EMA coming up here. It was a nice equilibrium on the 1 minute, but now it's an extended equilibrium. BCDA, I'm going to go ahead and try this here as we're seeing a tightening range bull break. Very small risk. Bump my stop loss down to the low of that last candle. I'm risking $36 now on this one. Resistance is up here, $1.45. We're looking to get over the high of 155. It's a 15-minute outside bar right here. So that's our range. Seems to be struggling here. Give it a chance, give it a second. My decision is to sell it there. Take the small profit on it. 5-minute consolidation on AI has begun. Okay, so we've got 10 minutes to go till this hourly candle closes. I'll put in a couple of bid orders here on AI. I'm not getting filled. That's too bad. I'm going to cancel those. Tried to get in it here as it was breaking out, but I didn't want to market buy-in. Hey Andrew, how you doing today? Am I negative today? Well, oh, THRX. I wanted to buy the breakout. Every time I do, it doesn't work for me. I'm not going to. No, I'm not actually. I'm up 169, and I'm being very protective here. I'm just not trading very actively right now because I was up at 200, then I gave it all back, and then I got it. Most of it back again. Or hopefully you're green today, Andrew. If you're trading today, I hope you... Oh, good morning, Jamich. I did not see you there. Yeah, I hope you can understand what I'm doing. I hope I can understand what I'm doing. Sometimes I wonder... No. But like I mentioned yesterday, you know, we're trying to make something out of chaos here. Right now, on my P&L chart, this is 42,000. This is the mark here that I've been trying to get over so I can get to phase 5. And for the last 3 days, I've been there. Actually, on Monday, I was up above it for a little bit. And I've been pushing myself pretty hard. And this morning before I traded, I'm like, you know what? I got to stop, slow down. You know, this is not a 1 day race. This is like a marathon. You know, it's not something I'm trying to get all at once. So I need to slow down, not push so hard. I'll get there. I just need to know when to stop. And so the reason why the market is green today, at 5:30 a.m. this morning, I saw some news. I was looking at the economic calendar, and I'm assuming it was because we had it says Federal Governor Jefferson speaks, and I don't know what the news was or what he spoke about, but that's when that the broader market just suddenly shot up. So whatever the news was, I guess it was a catalyst.